loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and today we are going to be continuing my organizing for 2020. We're going to be doing the bathroom, the closet, and the bedrooms. So I thought this would be a fun and easy way to get my organizing done and bring you guys along on the journey, and hopefully it inspires you along the way to get you guys organizing and cleaning. Yay! Anyways, like I said, we are continuing. In my previous one, I did my office and closet. This one will be bathroom and bedrooms. And then the final one will be kitchen. And that, my friends, will be my main organizing for 2020. And I'll feel like my life is back in order. So without further ado, let's go ahead and organize the bathroom. All right, so we are going to start in the bathroom today. I just want to get this organized and done because I feel like that'll be a good flow into the other parts of this video. So I'm going to start by cleaning out underneath my sink and in my drawers because I feel like I'm going to have to organize better, meaning that I need to see what I have to go get containers either from Target or order them from Amazon. I've obviously already organized since we moved in, but now that we've been here longer, I have a better idea of what I need underneath my sink so I can get proper containers for that. So without further ado, let's start cleaning this out. Alright, so as you can see, under here has gotten a little bit messy. The big problem is I always am trying new products and I'm always testing new things. So I bring them in here and then I put them underneath here and it just becomes a cluster of products. So I'm going to go through, organize what I have here, what I need, and then what I don't need I will put back into my beauty closet. And yeah, so we're just going to reorganize and start there. I think I need to go get different bins for body lotions and then for hair products. These are just a little bit narrow. So down here, I just organized these drawers. I have all my eye pencils and brow pencils over here. I have miscellaneous combs and files over here. I have scrunchies and hair ties. And then on this side, I keep all of my beauty blenders, but fun fact about Hawaii is even if you clean them, they still get moldy because it doesn't actually dry. So I think it's time that we just toss all of these, and looks like I need to go to Ulta tomorrow and get some more because these are not very clean. Then, I don't know why is it not focusing right? And then in this drawer, I keep all of my makeup. Now I'm just gonna go through it and see if there's anything I'm not currently using and put it back into my makeup drawers in the guest room. Okay, and I think for now, that's all I can do underneath my sink until I get those new bins. I'm gonna have to try to find something. But yeah, that already looks better and I feel way more confident about the situation. All right, next we're gonna go through the drawers. They shouldn't be too bad because I think I just did this not too long ago, but we're just gonna organize and see if it needs anything else. So in here is where I keep all my skincare. I have my oils and night creams. I have my serums. I have more night creams, and then I have self tanners and sunscreen, and then I have masks right here, and then face washes and other products here. So it doesn't look like it, but there are organizers at the bottom that kind of make this feel cleaner and more organized. But this is my drawer of products. I just keep my most frequently used T3 products down here. So I have my straightener, my diffuser, and then my blow dryer. Super fun. We're gonna clean all of my makeup brushes. I haven't done this in so long and I need to because I do have sensitive skin in the sense of it gets clogged really easy and I sweat more here just because. So I feel like brushes get dirtier. And so I've really slacked on this, so don't judge me. Anyways, I just like to use Johnson's baby soap. I know some people use Dawn dish soap. Just use a gentle cleanser, clean your makeup brushes. You should do it at least every 2 weeks. I've waited a lot longer. Anyways, let's do that now. All right, now that the brushes are clean, I'm gonna let those dry and then I can put them away tomorrow. And that's actually all I'm gonna do for tonight. I have to go cook dinner. So I will see you guys tomorrow and we will finish the bathroom and my front closet / beauty closet. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hello, good morning. Welcome back to more organizing and cleaning with me. Yay! All right, we're gonna be focusing on the front closet, my beauty closet, and then maybe get to the bedrooms today. But a number one tip that I wanted to share with you guys when organizing and cleaning is to carry around a notepad with you or your phone, and then just make notes of what you need. So I've added to my list shelves in both of our closets, as well as organizers for the bathroom for products and lotions like I mentioned, as well as another organizer type of thing for in the white cabinet that I have in the bathroom. So yes, that is a list that I can use when I go to Target. So I'm going to keep this by me today because as I go through things, I can make notes if I need things to organize. All right, so that is my main tip when organizing and cleaning, so you don't forget to actually do anything. Well, just like that, I guess we're going to start. Yeah. With that being said, let's organize this front closet and beauty products. Not gonna lie, it is going to be hard to show you guys. I take that back. There is a door right here that I can do this too. Oh my gosh, wow, you can see in the closet now. Good job, Angelique. Let's see what the heck is going on in here. Oh, in here. Ah. Oh, that's really funny. Okay, so on this top shelf, I keep Oliver's caterpillar toys. I know that sounds hilarious, but his favorite toys are caterpillars, and let me go grab one. This is a caterpillar toy. When we found out this is Oliver's favorite toy, we went to Home Goods and TJ Maxx, wherever we had gotten them, and I bought every one I could find. So there's like 5 more up here. Keep our travel pillows and accessories, and I keep extra toilet paper. Yeah, there's not much space in this front closet, so I don't know how much more I can organize that up here. Now, to be honest, the main thing in this video is to just go through your whole house. So I'm just doing it with you, just to inspire you. So in this closet, I'm just gonna go through each shelf, reorganize it, and make sure it's good. So just bear with me as I do that. The next thing I'm doing is going through my little beach bag, and I'm just going through all my products and just wiping them down and making sure everything, again, that's in here is needed. All right, I'm not gonna lie, the closet looks a lot better. The only thing I need to do is maybe go get command hooks just to see if I can get those brooms off the floor and make it look a little bit more organized on that side. And now we're gonna go through my beauty products and just reorganize them and make them prettier. So I'm gonna just show you a before and then an after because I have a feeling I'll be here for a minute. So this is the before. It starts from like bath bombs, skincare, beauty care, and then moves down into hair and lotions. So we're just gonna reorganize it to make it look better. So I don't know about you, but everything is way more organized and grouped together so I know where it is. And then I actually went through stuff as well and picked out a box for friends or family to go through and mail to. And yeah, it looks so much better. So now that the front closet slash beauty closet has been gone through, we're gonna go into the guest room and do more beauty products because that is where all of my, wow, don't mind me, beauty products are. Yay! Before we do that, I'm going to show you guys the situation in the guest room. It's quite bad. It's bad. So this is the current situation in the guest bedroom. We have, oh my gosh, PoshMark stuff on the bed, coats that I had to pull out for Colorado, new arrivals. To go through this, we have to organize some new arrivals as well, and then arrivals. Gotta fix what's going on in here. First and foremost, going to organize, I honestly don't even know where to start. Okay, I decided. First, we're going to continue with beauty products and organizing that since that's kind of been the flow. Bathroom, beauty closet, beauty makeup, organizing stuff. That didn't make sense, but that's going to be the next project is over here. Basically, I just need moral support to do this because it seems like such a big task. So thanks for cleaning and organizing with me. Yeah, we're definitely going to be doing a giveaway because I have a bunch of products that I just have overflow of and I have no room for. So look for the details down below in the description. I will decide on a giveaway down there. But yeah, keep your eye open for that. Also, every once in a while, I go through all my makeup because I get a lot of new arrivals, so I like to go through it, and if things that I haven't tried yet or just aren't my color, I like to get rid of so that way you guys can enjoy, and yeah, so... I think everything beauty-wise has officially been gone through. The bathroom, the beauty closet, and now my makeup products. And it feels so good just to have it gone through because it's very easy just to want to like hold on to these products because you're so excited, but then you realize you can't use all of them. So, very excited to have that gone through. Fun fact, whenever Sawyer gets food, I have to test it first.
Perks of living in Hawaii, the fish is always fresh.
Oh my gosh. Yep, you're not gonna die. I only test it because I want to eat it. Really not testing for anything other than I always steal his food, so I now call it testing. Guys, this is great. You have no idea what I just figured out. So with this drawer setup, it bugged me because like there were spaces on each side. Somehow they just didn't line up the way I wanted. So, don't know why this didn't appear to me sooner. But I'm just going to put all the big ones on top of each other and then all these little ones on top of each other. It'll be closer together. It'll get more room. It'll look more organized. And they're the same height. I just measured them with a tape measure. So let's redo these drawers. Oh my gosh, that works so much better. And now they're all even and all the drawers will open. You guys have no idea how much better that is. So much better. I know it doesn't seem like a big accomplishment, but going through all of that and having it organized and having it like reset, my mind is at ease. Okay, now we can tackle what's going on the bed. Literally, you can't even see it. I have a huge pile of PoshMark. I have clothes that are supposed to be going underneath the bed that I pull out for Colorado. It's all my cold gear, I guess you can say, cold weather clothes. So I'm just going to quickly make this better. All right, now that the bed is completely clear, we are going to go through my closet. Now in this closet, I keep all of my hanging clothes. So this half actually needs to be like put away because I color coordinate. So we're gonna do that first and then I'm gonna pull stuff out for PoshMark. So organize, then declutter. Alright guys, I am done organizing for today. The guest room is done. All beauty products and like makeup has been gone through. Guest room is done. So tomorrow I'm going to tackle the master bedroom and then this video is done and I've pretty much gone through 2/3 of my house. See you guys tomorrow. Alright, welcome to the third part of this video, which is organizing the master bedroom. As you can see, I haven't done anything in here this morning. So we're going to start by cleaning up the room and then organizing it. So let's just jump right in and start cleaning. Okay, that feels so much better and all I did was just make the bed. So just a little note, if you don't make the bed every day, you should start because it makes your life feel so much more put together. Gosh, I totally forgot to show you guys like a before, like what we're working with, like what we need to do. So even though the bed's made, I can still show you guys. Alright, so in here, we did just make the bed, but we have to clean off the nightstands and make that look more put together. We have to clean up and organize the dresser, make sure everything is good and organized here. I'm going to go through the dressers as well as Sawyer's closet and just organize it. So that is the game plan for today. So I'm first going to start a load of laundry so that way that can be washing while I'm organizing and can get that done. Alright, the load of laundry is started, so now I'm going to clean off the dresser. I almost forgot what this was. Dresser. And we will need this because this is my handy dandy notebook that I will need for organizing if I need to go get anything. So that'll stay there. Alright, next we're going to just clean and organize the nightstand. Alright, so in my top drawer I keep all of my bralettes. And since we're organizing and going through clothes, I thought this would be very necessary. I'm going to reorganize this right now. So much better. All right, my camera had died, but I went ahead and organized the nightstands as well as recentered the bed because somehow it got off center. So everything is now much better and organized over here. So now we're going to move over to this little shelf and we are going to just reorganize this and make sure everything's good. All right, now we're going to organize Sawyer's closet. Now he already went through his clothes and like got rid of a bunch of stuff. But he has like an empty section up here and I feel like I kind of take over that every once in a while because I just use that as like, oh, I'm getting undressed and I can just hang that jacket up right here. So what I need to do is actually move most of this stuff and take it back to my closets. So I'm going to do that right now and then I'm just going to straighten up his stuff and his closet will be done. So the only thing I keep in here are my robes and maybe a sweatshirt. So yeah, all my robes are hanging up over here and now I'm just going to organize Sawyer's closet. Okay, that was actually very, very painless because I literally just did it when we went through his closet. So honestly, the last thing to do in here is to go through the dresser, which shouldn't be too bad except for my workout clothes. So let's start with that first and yeah, get this room done. Okay, so I just went through my workout gear and back here we have all of my pants, we have my long sleeve tops, and then we have shorts, and then over here we have sports bras. I attempted rolling them and then it made it too hard to close the drawer. That's when I stopped recording because I had been recording for a long time trying to roll all this. Anyways, we went with folding and then we have workout like tank tops or t-shirts back here. So that is my workout gear. I went through it as well. So I added some stuff to the PoshMark pile. And honestly, this is all Sawyer stuff and I just did all his. I just wanted to show you guys how much better this room looks. Everything looks so much cleaner and organized and I love knowing that everything has been gone through. Pretty much it in the master bedroom. So I'm going to head to Target in a minute and try to find the organizers for the bathroom that I had wrote down. So wish me luck. So yeah, I'm going to go to Target now and have some fun. I'm honestly really sad there's not a Container Store here because that would make this even more fun. But Target will have to do. Alright, so I just got back from Target and I got a bag full of organizers. So I just got tons of different containers in different sizes because I wasn't exactly sure what would work underneath here and then what would work in that cabinet. So I'm just going to mess around for a minute and see what works and I will let you guys know, and I will also link down below what containers I ended up using. Yay, these work. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got kitchen organizers from Made by Design. They are like 14 inches by about 4.5 inches wide. Like I said, I will link him down below. So now I have one for like lotions and like tanners, and then I have one for hair products. So that'll make it so much easier to access. So my next little project is to organize underneath here. Down here is where I keep all the Band-Aids and like Q-tips, cotton pads, all those extras. So I have more clear bins, so we're just gonna see what'll work and organize down here. No, I know it's hard to see, I apologize, but we have like Band-Aids and first aid, we have toothbrushes and extra floss, and then over here we have some feminine products, cotton pads, and Q-tips. So I feel like that's better for now. Well, loves, that is it. That is the end of this Organize and Clean With Me. This is part of my Organize and Clean With Me for 2020 mini-series, I guess you can say. In the last video, we did my closet and office. This time we did the bedrooms and bathroom. And the next one will be the kitchen, which probably needs it the most. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed getting all organized for the new year with me. I know I've enjoyed this, so I hope it inspires you to organize and clean your house as well. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. As always, I will link everything down below. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!